Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to view the history of Steam games you've gifted and received. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam application and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen where you'll see your username displayed. Click on your username to reveal a drop-down menu with several options. From this menu, select View My Profile. This will take you to your main Steam profile page where you can access various account features and settings. Once you're on your profile page, look over to the right side of the screen. You'll notice several sections and tabs available. Click on the Inventory option. Your Steam inventory is where all your trading cards, items, and gift-related information are stored, making it the central hub for tracking your gaming assets and gift activity. Now, while you're in your inventory section, continue looking at the right side of the screen. You'll see a button labeled More. Click on this More button to expand additional options. From the drop-down menu that appears, select View Gift History. This specific option is designed to give you a complete overview of all your gifting activity on Steam, both incoming and outgoing. After selecting View Gift History, a new page will open displaying your complete gift history. This page organizes all your Steam gift activity in a clear and easy-to-read format. You'll be able to see two main categories that help you track everything related to your Steam gifts. The first category you'll notice is Gifts Sent. This section displays all the games you've gifted to other users on the platform. It's particularly useful if you want to remember who you've sent games to or keep track of your generosity over time. The second category is Gifts Received, which shows all the games that friends or other Steam users have gifted to you. This helps you remember who sent you which games and when. Additionally, you'll find dates and gift activity records for each transaction. These timestamps let you see exactly when each gift was sent or received, creating a detailed timeline of your entire gifting history on Steam. This historical record can be especially helpful if you need to reference past gifts or simply want to reminisce about the games you've shared with friends. And there you have it. You've now accessed your complete Steam gift history, giving you full visibility into all the games you've both sent and received on the platform. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.